What's going on, guys, and welcome back to the channel. As a responsible LLC owner, it's essential to understand the steps and requirements for filing taxes even if your business did not generate any income. In this video, we are going to guide you on how to file taxes for an LLC that made no money. By following these detailed instructions, you can ensure compliance with IRS regulations, maintain your LLC's good standing, and lay the groundwork for future financial success. Now, let's start. Determine your LLC's tax classification. The IRS does not have a separate tax classification for LLCs. Instead, LLCs can choose how they want to be taxed. The default classification taxes single-member LLCs as sole proprietorship and multi-member LLCs as partnerships. However, LLCs can elect to be taxed as S or C corporation by filing Form 8832 Entity Classification Election. Obtain or confirm your Employer Identification Number or EIN. An EIN is required for tax purposes even if your LLC made no money. If you don't have an EIN, you can apply for one on the IRS website. If you already have an EIN, confirm that it is still active and valid. Choose the correct tax forms. The tax forms you need to file will depend on your LLC's tax classification. For example, single-member LLCs taxed as sole proprietorship will file Form 1040 Schedule C, while LLCs taxed as partnerships will file Form 1065. Report expenses and deductions. Even if your LLC made no money, you will still have expenses and deductions that can be reported on your tax return. Keep detailed records of all business-related expenses and transactions to ensure that you can accurately report these items. File your tax return. File your tax return on time to avoid penalties and fines from the IRS. If you miss the deadline, file as soon as possible to minimize penalties and interests. Keep detailed records. Maintain meticulous records of all business-related expenses and transactions. This practice is not only essential for tax purposes, but also beneficial for monitoring your business's financial health. Remember, filing taxes for an LLC with no income is still required by law. It helps maintain your good standing with the IRS and state tax authorities, preserve your LLC's status, and avoid penalties. By following these steps, you can ensure compliance and establish a foundation for your LLC's future success. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one.